Yo, Gary of the Hills here, and good morning from Oklahoma City. And I mean, usually the hotels I stay at are not very tall, so I don't usually get views like this. This is wild, dude. And that body of water is Lake Hefner. Yeah, I couldn't see it at night, but here in the morning, you can see it perfectly well. That is gorgeous. Well, goodbye now, Country Inn. We're one of my favorite hotels I ever stayed at. Now I have to head out. Alright, we are starting out the day right. Here at the Cowboy and Western Heritage Museum. Oh man, I've been here I think twice now, and I'm ready for my third visit. Let's go. This is the first thing you are greeted with upon entering the museum. Talk about a dang good first impression, eh? I think this is new. I don't think this was here last time I was here. Oh yeah, this is all new and just so awesome. What in the world, dude? Yeah, giant statues are just absolutely everywhere here. Yeah, this museum is a lot crazier than I remember it being. Okay, this museum's 10 times crazier than I remember it being. Rhythm Rodeo, yes sir. On this whole outdoor portion, there's just these insane views of the Oklahoma City skyline off in the distance. I mean, oh my gosh. And now all of a sudden we find ourselves in an old western town. Yep. Wait, is that a Silver Dollar City reference? Apparently the town's name is Prosperity Junction. Very interesting. Huh, Code of the West. I think this is new as well. Yeah, this like giant screen right over here. Yeah. This new exhibit just absolutely blows my mind. I mean, just take a look at this. Seriously, like, how is this even real, dude? Okay, I was a fan of this place before, but like now that was a billion times better than I remember it being. Oh my gosh. It's time to move on to our next destination, but my goodness, that blew my mind. Alright, next stop, the Science Museum of Oklahoma. From what I've seen, this place looks pretty wild, so I'm looking forward to it. Giant dinosaurs are always cool. Also, I know you can't see it that well, but the planetarium is called the Loves Planetarium. Yeah, if you didn't know, Loves was actually started out here in Oklahoma. Oh, this is all wrong. The Earth's not round. It's a cube. That balloon over there apparently moves up and down. That's neat. Dude, this thing just jump scared me. There was an air cannon. What is this, a haunted house or something? I don't know what this thing is, but it's cool, whatever it is. Take a look at this mural up here. It's pretty neato. Okay, the other sections were cool, but this section is really awesome. My goodness. As if one of me wasn't already enough. This is very Meow Wolf-esque, if you know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Like, this is the entrance to that one mirror room I was in. It's so Meow Wolf-esque, dude. I mean, come on now, isn't this area just so wonderful? Yeah, that section was absolutely mind-blowing. Okay, this museum just keeps getting better and better. Are you serious? For all you train enthusiasts out there, yes sir. Okay, no, seriously, this museum just keeps getting better and better. So they have like a simulator where they like put you in a capsule and then they give you a sticker at the end. Seriously, this museum just keeps getting better and better. Just this section alone should give you an idea of how wild this place really is. They even have a mirror maze. I mean, what? Here's the exhibit on excision, yes sir. So at first I really didn't know if I cared much for the place, really. But then just the more time you spend in there, the more areas you see, just the more, it's just, yeah, it's fantastic, yeah. That's also, is it as good as like the other museum I went to today? Probably not, but that was fantastic, yeah. All right, time for the next museum. Another one I have been to before, the Oklahoma History Center.
NBC newsroom in Washington. The word is, ladies and gentlemen, at this moment, that Japan is...
So, I'm now here at the First Americans Museum, and let me tell you, I don't know if you're ready to see what this museum actually looks like. Take a look. I don't know if you can tell from just the camera, but this thing is massive. This is another museum I have been to before, and this was my most anticipated to revisit. Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah. Maybe this will give you a better idea of how massive this thing actually is. Still probably not really coming across as well on the camera, but I mean, goodness. And now here's a look on the inside. My goodness. All right, now we're in the galleries, and this is the first thing you are greeted with. Yep, quite a first impression, if I don't say so myself.
It's
actually the bison, the buffalo. They used to.
He became weaker and was overcome with illness.
If we want to say goodbye, there's really no way to say goodbye. What we would say is, Donada Gohan-i.
The lighting in here is just absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Yeah, not only do they have this giant glass thing and the galleries, they also have this massive, 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 massive mound. And yes, you can go all the way up there. And that's what we're gonna do right now. And we have made it, sir. The top of the mound here gives an absolutely fantastic view of the construction of the hotel and the connected indoor and outdoor water park. Wow, they've gotten a lot of progress since I was last here. Those water slides you see coming out of the building, those are on the ground beside the mound here, just laying out in the dirt. And now look at them, they're just all put together. And yeah, this thing's getting close to completion next year. And yes, I absolutely plan on coming back for this, trust me. Yes. And here's more of a ground view of the construction, yeah. Absolutely unreal place. I mean, seriously. It literally just turned 3. I just barely missed this thing. Save it for next time. Alright, time for a museum that I've actually not been to yet. This is the Museum of Osteology. Apparently, America's only skeleton museum. Just gosh, this state is just filled with such great museums. Just fantastic.